hope you all had a marvelous week. So today we are going to be making some bouncy borax balls. So it is easy to make and you can make it with all the things you can find at your homes. So without a further ado, let's move on to making them. For making this, you'll need 1 tablespoon of glue, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon borax, half cup water and some food coloring or some paint. First, take the borax and mix it with the half cup of water. Next, take the glue and add in your choice of color. Add 1 teaspoon of the borax solution to the glue. Now wait for about 10 seconds and then you may add the cornstarch. Now you should mix this well. Mix this preparation well. I have some cornstarch on my hand. My solution is quite thick now, so like this. So now let's move on to kneading it. Yeah, this is quite messy, so do it in small batches. Borax ball looks like. It has a texture of putty and slime mixed together. It's very nice, very soft, but it's not stretchy like slime. Has a putty like feeling. Very fun to play with. So the same thing, you can mold it as a ball, but it will eventually harden, so make sure you decide what shape you want and shape it off before you let it dry out. So I quickly made it into a ball. It's very much fun to play with. It's very soft and has a smooth surface. But one thing, the kneading consumes a lot of time, so make sure you have at least like around half an hour for making this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Science Orb for quality content from my side. Bye, meet you next week.